Hello and Assalamu alaikum. We would like to present our innovation product, which is QR code padlock. First, let me introduce our group members. We are from Melaka International College of Science and Technology, MiCoST. Our group members consist of 5 people, which are Amirah binti Abdul Rafar, Muhammad Yasir bin Hamzah, Aminah Jazilah binti Abu Bakar, Muhammad Amzar Fikri bin Muhammad Zahir, Nur Ain Shamimi Hazika binti Suparman. So, without further ado, let's get started. Currently, there is an increasing demand for technologically enhanced product in our market. For some people like house rental property owners, they are experiencing difficulty in managing access of their customers into multiple locations of premises. Thus, we try to innovate the traditional padlock into high-tech features which gives a lot of great benefits to the users. So, we come out with an idea for a QR code padlock which can connect to an application system, thus eliminates the use of keys for unlocking the padlock. Using traditional padlock have some limitation to owners. They are experiencing difficulties in allowing access to their premises, especially when it comes to handling multiple locations of premises. Because of this poor accessibility, the owner had to travel to each premises. Consequently, it can cause delay and dissatisfaction among customers. QR code padlock provides safety to the users, which the owner of the padlock doesn't have to worry anymore about losing keys. Thus, not to worry if keys could fall into the wrong people. And he also doesn't have to worry if keys being duplicated by others. QR code padlock is easy to use, which it reduces burden for owner to sending key to customer to access premises. It is also convenient to people which the user may unlock via using QR code through their mobile phone. And then it helps the owner of the padlock to monitor the person who used it. The novelty of this product is using QR code nowadays is a popular and trendy method by everyone. It is convenient since most of people are using smartphone. The padlock also comes with built-in battery lasting up to 6 months, and users of the padlock can be unlimited numbers. With QR code padlock, users or customers have to get permission first from the owner to unlock the padlock. Owner can configure time duration for users to access the padlock. Thus, the owner can obtain information from lock analysis in the application system. Now we go to the product description. First, point your smartphone's camera at the padlock's QR code. Then follow the instruction on the screen, download the app, and then create an account as the user of the padlock. Then, the owner will approve your request as the user. Once approval has been granted, the user can unlock the padlock by using the app. The padlock has Bluetooth connectivity, which it will set auto connect with your smartphone and unlocking the padlock as you approach. The app gives a lot of benefit to the owner in monitoring the padlock activities. The app allows you to control the padlock remotely from your mobile device, monitoring comings and goings, and alert you to any activity. The app lets you view entry and exit logs in real time, so you always know who has locked and unlocked your padlock and when. The app also lets you create permanent or temporary access for the users, The owner can set access limitation for every entry. Limitation can include days of the week and specific hours to ensure the user can access your padlock only during approved time. Otherwise, the QR code padlock consists with intrusion detection system which the owner will receive alerts on his smartphone. If someone tries to break in or tamper with the padlock, the owner can also set to notify police or a home security service automatically if this happens. The potential customer that we can identify to sell this product is to homeowners, apartment or house renters, homestay owners, building or factory owners, business owner deal with the real estate, and vehicle owners. That's all from us. Thank you.